You need to watch this if you struggle with weight management or low energy. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of fasting and how it can transform your health and well-being. Fasting, in its simplest form, is the act of abstaining from food for a specific period. This ancient practice has been embraced by various cultures and religions for centuries, each with its unique approach and significance. It's a practice observed across cultures and throughout history for various reasons ranging from religious rituals to health pursuits. Whether it's Ramadan, Yom Kippur, or intermittent fasting, the core idea remains the same: giving the body a break from constant digestion. Unlike dieting, which often focuses on what you eat, fasting emphasizes when you eat, offering a break for your digestive system and prompting a cascade of physiological changes within your body. This timing aspect can be crucial in resetting your metabolic processes. Imagine a bustling factory operating non-stop. Fasting is like a scheduled maintenance period, allowing the machinery to rest, repair, and optimize its processes. This downtime is essential for the body to perform necessary repairs and rejuvenate itself. This reset button can lead to numerous health benefits, including weight management, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. By giving your body this break, you allow it to function more efficiently and effectively. Fasting is not about deprivation, it's about consciously choosing when to nourish your body and allowing it time to rejuvenate. This mindful approach can lead to a deeper understanding of your body's needs and rhythms. It's a journey of self-discovery, empowering you to understand your body's innate ability to adapt and thrive. Through fasting, you can unlock a new level of health and well-being, fostering a stronger connection between mind and body. When you fast, your body gradually depletes its readily available glucose stores, which it typically uses for energy. This process can take anywhere from several hours to a couple of days, depending on your activity level and diet. This shift in fuel source triggers a remarkable metabolic process called ketosis. During ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. In the absence of glucose, your liver steps in, converting stored fat into ketone bodies, an alternative energy source that efficiently fuels your brain and muscles. This transformation is not only fascinating but also vital for survival during periods of food scarcity. Think of your body as a hybrid vehicle, capable of running on both gasoline, glucose, and electricity, ketones. This dual fuel capability ensures that your body can adapt to different energy demands. When you fast, you're essentially switching from gasoline to electricity, tapping into your body's fat reserves as a powerful energy source. This switch can lead to significant fat loss and improved metabolic health. Ketosis not only provides sustained energy but also offers several health advantages. It helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduces hunger, making it easier to stick to a fasting regimen. It has been linked to improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and even potential benefits for conditions like epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. Embracing ketosis can be a transformative experience for both your body and mind. Fasting goes beyond just switching fuel sources. It initiates a series of profound metabolic adaptations. As your body enters a fasted state, insulin levels decrease, allowing your cells to become more sensitive to insulin's effects. This improved insulin sensitivity is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Imagine a cluttered room where signals get lost in the chaos. Fasting is like tidying up, removing the clutter, excess glucose and insulin, and improving communication, insulin sensitivity within the room, your body. Furthermore, fasting promotes cellular repair processes and reduces oxidative stress, contributing to overall cellular health and longevity. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you're allowing it to focus on essential maintenance and repair tasks. Intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity as a sustainable and flexible approach to incorporating fasting into daily life. Unlike prolonged fasts, intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, typically within a 24-hour window. One popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and restrict your eating window to 8 hours each day. Another approach is alternate day fasting, involving alternating between days of normal eating and days of calorie restriction or complete fasting. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its adaptability. You can tailor the fasting and eating windows to fit your lifestyle and preferences. It's not about rigid rules but rather about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you. Water fasting, as the name suggests, involves abstaining from all food and beverages except for water for a specific period, typically ranging from 24 hours to several days. While it's a more challenging form of fasting, it can also be incredibly powerful, triggering profound cellular cleansing processes, including autophagy. Imagine your cells as miniature recycling centers. Autophagy is like the waste removal system, breaking down and recycling damaged cellular components, promoting cellular renewal and longevity. Water fasting should be approached with caution and ideally under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially for extended fasts. It's crucial to listen to your body, stay adequately hydrated, and break the fast gradually. Despite its growing popularity, fasting is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Many people are unsure about what fasting truly entails and how it affects the body. Let's debunk some of the most common ones and set the record straight. Myth 1. Fasting puts your body in starvation mode. This is a widespread belief that often deters people from trying fasting. This is a common misconception. Your body is designed to handle periods without food. Your body is incredibly adaptable and doesn't go into starvation mode after a few hours of fasting. It takes much longer for the body to enter a true starvation state. In fact, short-term fasting can actually increase your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories. Myth 2. You'll lose muscle mass while fasting. This is another common fear. While prolonged fasting without adequate protein intake can lead to muscle loss, short-term fasting, especially when combined with proper nutrition, does not have this effect. Short-term fasting has been shown to preserve muscle mass and even promote muscle growth when combined with resistance training. This is great news for fitness enthusiasts. Myth 3. Fasting makes you weak and tired. This is a concern for many who are new to fasting. While you might experience temporary fatigue initially, this is usually short-lived. Many people report increased energy levels and improved mental clarity during a fast as the body adapts to a new energy source. Thanks to the metabolic switch to ketosis, your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy, leading to these benefits. Fasting, when done correctly, can offer numerous health benefits including weight management, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and enhanced cellular cleaning. However, it's essential to approach fasting with a balanced perspective. It's not a magic bullet and may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain medical conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those with a history of eating disorders should consult with their healthcare provider before attempting any form of fasting. Remember, listening to your body is paramount. Start slowly, find a method that suits your lifestyle, and don't hesitate to seek guidance from your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure a safe and beneficial fasting experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with friends who might be interested in fasting. Thanks for watching.